Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to remove the handle on 2022 onwards Lexus NX. First we need to remove the door panel. What you see in the right corner on the link. Okay. For the handle removing, we remove the door panel first. And then we take off this metal bar, what is holding the door card. Okay, and then unplug the door handle. Okay, just lightly open, unplugged. Behind the switch have a button. You just okay, like this. Unplug this wire loom. Okay, we take off later when this white things is come off. Just turn it in and pull out. Okay, and then we need a plastic trim tools for out. Okay. Pull out. Okay. Okay, and then easy to hold behind the plastic just by finger and press together this, and very easy to come off. Okay, we just unhugged. Push out this door handle cable. Yes, okay, and then press together this plastic clip and push out. And okay, and now it's free. Then we need a flat screwdriver. We need to press this clip from right side to left way, and pulling this way the electric wire loom. You just press in and just turn in. Okay, this one done. Then we unplug this bar, metal bar. Okay, and then we need a T30 screwdriver. Just unscrewed. Don't worry, this screw doesn't come out for loose. Okay, one screw is out. And then the second screw is behind this plastic. Okay, this is black, hard to see, but still T30. And okay, unplugged. And the other T30 just looks like this way. You just press in and unscrewing. Oh, okay. I use a T30 ratchet. It was very tight and just need to be okay. Good. Let's unscrewing. And when you unscrew it, it's good to hold the handle, because nothing holds the handle, and just come out. Looks like this. Okay, so we need to take off this lock gently and take off the rubber. Okay, and we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.